Welcome to my channel, TechCrest. Here we review the latest tech products to help you make the best purchasing decisions. Before proceeding to the video, please subscribe to my channel. All right, let's get started.
When choosing a screen protector, you want to consider factors like clarity, ease of installation, durability, and overall protection. Here are some of the best options currently on the market for the iMac. On number 1, we have Zoegga's Privacy Screen Guard. The Privacy Screen Guard by Zoegga is a great choice for people who value privacy. This screen protector, which was created to offer the highest level of privacy in public spaces, makes sure that, when viewed directly, only the user can see the screen. Zoegga's Privacy Screen Guard is notable for its sophisticated micro-lower technology, which reduces the viewing angle and successfully blocks others from seeing your screen. When viewed from the side, your screen is blacked out by an innovative multi-layered film filter, yet when viewed directly, it remains crystal clear. In addition to shielding your eyes from damaging glare, UV rays, and blue light, the 24-inch computer privacy screen also successfully prevents eye damage, headaches, and visual fatigue. For healthcare professionals, mobile workers, commuters, students, and business travelers, privacy screens are the best option. You may now work at airports, subways, airplanes, and public spaces while maintaining compliance and protecting confidential company data. Another advantage of Zoegga's Privacy Screen Guard is that it retains the original clarity of your iMac M4 display. The screen protector does not diminish the brightness, color accuracy, or sharpness of your screen, allowing you to enjoy your device's high-quality visuals without compromise. On number 2, we have Forito Screen Shield. Forito Screen Shield is an excellent substitute if you want complete protection without sacrificing privacy features. The purpose of this screen protector is to shield your iMac M4 from possible harm, such smudges and scratches. This 24-inch iMac screen protector efficiently reduces glare and reflections from bright settings and sunshine by utilizing cutting-edge anti-glare technology. It also helps keep your computer screen clean by protecting your eyes from the damaging effects of glare. This 24-inch iMac desktop screen protector efficiently protects your screen from scratches and damage thanks to its sophisticated scratch-resistant features. It is easy to clean because of its flat surface, which reduces smudges and fingerprints. With its high light transmission, this iMac 24-inch anti-glare computer screen cover preserves the sharpness and HD quality of your panel. Savor clear word and picture displays free from distortion or blur. For a captivating viewing experience, it allows the brightest colors and maximum brightness to show through. Your iMac M4 screen will remain in perfect condition for longer thanks to its durable, scratch-resistant surface, which provides a strong barrier against normal wear and tear. So these are some of the best screen protectors to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.